How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to another Mustang video. Now, if you remember back to one of my early mods, one of my early uploads on this channel, one of the first mods I did to this Mustang was to install the Roush Axle Back exhaust. Well, since then I've increased the volume slightly by having an H-pipe fitted in place with the centre resonator. So have a listen to this. Finally, a break in traffic. Hey, so much louder now. So yeah, H-pipe with Roush Axle Backs is definitely the sound I was hoping for. So yeah, the H-pipe, you can get ready-made ones from the likes of Mishimoto. They cost about 200 quid. I went down to my local exhaust shop and asked how much it'd be for him to fit one, to fabricate a custom one and fit it. And they said 200 quid and they'd be able to do it like pretty much the next day. So I just left it with them, let them do the job, just saved me the hassle of having to wait for it to be posted and then have to jack up the car and bench press the whole exhaust system off and mess about clamping it all on. So I've got a custom H-pipe that's been welded in place, and as you can hear, it sounds fantastic. It's a lot louder for starters, but it keeps that nice deep rumble of the Roush system that I like. A lot of the exhaust systems with an X-pipe in particular sound quite raspy, so this one retains that rumbliness, which is what the H-pipe does. I mean, the science behind the H-pipe versus the X-pipe: the H-pipe gives you more low down torque, whereas your X-pipe gives you more power. Top end H-pipe you get more of a like deep thud, whereas X-pipe you get more of a thrusty rasp sound. As you heard from my little introduction, it's borderline too loud on cold starts, especially when it's amplified in the garage. So for a daily driver, I'd be kind of like 50-50 on whether this sort of system would be recommended. Although a lot of people do go for catbacks, which is essentially what this is now, except it's still got the standard exhaust from the end of the H-pipe up until the stainless of the axle backs. So I don't know, maybe one day I'll get the rest of that just fabricated in stainless steel just to match. But yeah, for early morning starts, it can be a bit too loud. But for a fun car like mine, where I just go out driving it just for fun, it's the perfect sound. I'm trialling this new camera setup, by the way, so I think I can see it wobbling around a lot. So I have to see what that looks like on the actual footage. Yeah, I'm going to pull up in a second and get you some more sound clips. I'll stick the suction cup mount on the back bumper so you can hear it from outside. We're on just a long straight road at the minute, so there's not really much I can do apart from a couple of accelerations. But you might be able to hear with the windows up, they've got quite a good sound deadening in these cars. It's quite subtle and it's not too bad on motorways. No loud drone or anything. This is just totally around and just have a 1,500 RPM in 6th gear. Knock it down to 5th and get a couple of nice pops to 4th. So we've got a roundabout coming up here, so I'll still a bit windy. Crack window open a little bit so we can hear it. Figure out where I'm going to go. No idea where this goes, but I'll follow it. Accelerate, not pushing it too hard, you kind of got to get that nice tone of it without the fall off like apocalypse that comes out of the exhaust tips when you're on full throttle. Get a bit of wind noise again. Right, let's pull up in here and I'll stick my thing on the rear bumper. now, so I'll be able to get some low speed sound clips. Let's get this down. So just totally along, you get that really nice deep rumble. This is in 4th gear at 30 miles an hour. So I hope you enjoyed this little look at my new exhaust system. Roush Axle Backs combined with custom H-pipe. Sounds nice and thunderous. I'm excited to see how this camera setup turned out. If it turned out alright, I'll maybe do some more of these vlogs, car vlogs in the future. There we go, open road again.